Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make ebi to pakuchi no gyoza. It's shrimp, pork, and coriander gyoza. I had it at local gyoza restaurant the other day and it was so good, so I'm replicating it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ebi to pakuchi no gyoza, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 100 grams of coriander, 40 gyoza wrapper, 400 grams of shrimp, 200 grams of ground pork, 2 tablespoons each of sesame oil and potato starch or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and some salt and pepper. Let's finely mince the coriander and put in a large bowl. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together, and mince. Both stalks and the leafy part. Finely minced. In the bowl. Let's make the shrimp too. You don't want to make it too small because you want to enjoy the bouncy texture. It's minced, but it's a bit chunky. All into the bowl. Into the bowl of shrimp and coriander, let's add all the other ingredients. Ground pork, garlic paste, sesame oil, potato starch, and about a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Let's knead this well until everything is well mixed and sticky. Looks good. Let's roughly divide this into 4, and one section makes 10 gyoza. By doing this, you can avoid having leftover gyoza filling or leftover gyoza wrapper. Flatten it and into 4. It's time to wrap. But before you start, prepare a frying pan with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. The heat is off. So here I have gyoza filling, gyoza wrapper, and a bowl of water. It's just random amount of water. One section of the filling makes 10 gyoza. So let's take out 10 gyoza wrappers for now. Gyoza wrapper on your non-dominant hand. Some filling in the middle. Wet the edge. Fold it into half, but don't put them together. It's open like a taco. And using this rim closer to you, you're making 5 pleats, and you're keeping this one flat. So pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press. 1, 2, pinch, tuck, and press. Seal it tight. So this side is flat, but on the other side you have 5 pleats. And using this first one, spread the oil all over the frying pan. Let me show you one more time. Wrapper on your non-dominant hand. Some filling. Wet the edge. Fold it into half. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. And pinch, tuck, press. Seal it tight. No pleats on this side, but 5 pleats on the other side. The pleats don't have to be 5. You can make it 4 or 6. This time, let me show you my view. Wrapper on non-dominant hand. Filling in the middle. Wet the edge. Fold it. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, and press. Seal it tight. Pleats on this side, but it's flat on the other side. Okay, made 40 gyoza and no filling left, no wrapper left. If you want to freeze some of the gyoza, place them on a tray lined with parchment paper like this. Put the whole tray in a freezer bag. Seal it tight. Try to push out the air as much as you can. And freeze. Once it's frozen, you can take the tray out so that you can save some space in the fridge. This is how I place my gyoza in the frying pan. It's like a flower. I'm going to steam cook them, then pan fry them in the same frying pan. So let's put some water. It's about 1/3 of the height of gyoza. Cover with the lid and just bring it to boil over medium to medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to medium-low and keep cooking for another 6 to 7 minutes. Cooked for 6 minutes. Let's take the lid off. The steam cooking part is done. keep cooking to evaporate the water. Once the water is all gone, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil using the edge of the frying pan to pan fry them. And cook for about 2 minutes until the bottom side is nice and crispy. Okay, let's check the bottom. Nice and crispy. Kill the heat and make sure gyoza is not sticking to the frying pan. Put a plate upside down like this and flip it over. And エビとパクチーの餃子 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can have it with any sauce you like, but my favorite is very simple. It's just a mixture of rice vinegar, soy sauce, and chili oil. The ratio is up to you. Let's put some sauce. And いただきます。The aroma of the coriander and the texture of the shrimp are so good. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. エビとパクチーの餃子 is the main, so let's put it here. Plain rice here, and bean sprout miso soup or any soup you like here. Whatever you like for the side dishes, but how about carrot salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!